Imagine waking up one day to find out that the people you trusted the most, your own parents, have stolen your entire financial future. What would you do if the very foundation of your life, your money, your dreams, were ripped away by those closest to you? Today, we're diving deep into a heartbreaking story that reveals the dark side of family finances and the shocking mistakes that can cost you everything. Stay with me till the end because the lessons here could save your financial life. Welcome to this eye-opening episode where we unravel the story of a young woman whose parents not only betrayed her trust, but also destroyed her financial future. This isn't just a story about money, it's about trust, betrayal, and the harsh realities many face when family and finances collide. We'll break down what happened, why it happened, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself from a similar fate. Let's start at the beginning. Our protagonist grew up in a loving family, believing that her parents had her best interests at heart. She was taught to save, invest, and plan for the future. But beneath the surface, there were financial decisions being made that would later come back to haunt her. What if the people who are supposed to guide you financially are actually making choices that jeopardize your future? This story shows exactly how that can happen. Here's where the story takes a dark turn. Her parents, instead of safeguarding her inheritance and savings, made risky and unethical decisions. They took control of her finances, made unauthorized withdrawals, and even destroyed important documents that could have secured her financial independence. How could this happen? And why would parents do this? The truth is, sometimes financial ignorance, desperation, or even greed can lead to devastating consequences. But here's the twist: there's a way to recover from even the worst financial betrayals. Later in this video, I'll share the exact steps she took to start rebuilding her life and how you can apply these strategies if you ever find yourself in a similar situation. The emotional toll was enormous. Beyond the money lost, the trust was shattered. She had to face the reality of starting over financially with limited resources and a deep sense of betrayal. This part of the story highlights how financial abuse within families can be as damaging as any other form of abuse. It's a reminder that money is not just numbers, it's tied to our emotions and relationships. This story is a wake-up call for anyone who assumes their financial future is secure just because it's in family hands. Here are some crucial lessons. Always have control over your own financial accounts. Keep important documents secure and accessible only to you. Learn to recognize signs of financial manipulation or abuse. Seek professional advice if you suspect something is wrong. You might be wondering, how did she finally confront her parents? What legal or financial tools did she use to fight back? And can you really protect yourself from this kind of betrayal? Stay tuned because the answers are coming up next. Recovery wasn't easy, but it was possible. She took these key steps: consulting with a financial advisor to assess the damage, taking legal action to reclaim what was hers, creating a new, secure financial plan with clear boundaries, educating herself about personal finance to prevent future risks. These steps transformed her from a victim into a financially empowered individual. Now, let's talk about you. Whether you're young or old, here's how to safeguard your financial future from family-related risks. Set up separate accounts with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Use legal instruments like trusts or power of attorney wisely and only with people you fully trust. Keep digital and physical copies of all financial documents. Regularly review your financial statements and credit reports. Don't be afraid to seek outside help: financial planners, lawyers, or counselors. Before we finish, ask yourself, could this happen to you? Are you truly in control of your financial future? If you want to avoid the mistakes that destroyed her life, take action now. And if you want to learn more about protecting your money and building lasting wealth, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we'll be sharing more stories and expert advice just like this. Thank you for watching this deep dive into a story that's as tragic as it is educational. Remember, your financial future is your responsibility, and with the right knowledge and tools, you can protect it from anyone, even those closest to you. Stay smart, stay safe, and see you in the next video.